Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an easy mint margarita. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and 2 to 3 limes for their vibrant juice. Don't forget to prepare a simple syrup, which is just equal parts sugar and water, to achieve that perfect sweetness. Finally, have your preferred tequila and a good quality triple sec on hand. Now let's get to mixing. In a blender, combine your fresh mint leaves, the juice from your limes, and about 1 ounce of simple syrup. Next, pour in 2 ounces of tequila and 1 ounce of triple sec. Secure the lid and blend everything together until the mint is finely chopped and the mixture is smooth. This ensures all the flavors are perfectly integrated for a delicious drink. It's time to prepare your serving glasses. You can moisten the rim of each glass with a lime wedge and then dip it into salt or sugar, depending on your preference. Fill your prepared glasses with fresh ice cubes. Carefully pour your perfectly blended mint margarita over the ice. For a final touch, garnish each drink with a vibrant fresh mint sprig and a thin slice of lime. Enjoy your refreshing creation. To truly perfect your mint margarita, remember that customization is key. Feel free to adjust the amount of simple syrup or lime juice to match your personal preference for sweetness or tartness. Using a good quality tequila can significantly elevate the overall flavor profile of your drink, making it even more enjoyable. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals. Experiment with different garnishes like a lime wheel or even a few berries for an extra touch of flair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.